So my background is Mazo cardstock. And of course, I can't record without the stinking cats. The bicycle layer is Paintbrush Studio Noteworthy, and the floral layer is Paintbrush Studio Noteworthy, the reverse side of the bicycle pattern. And then the pink layer is also Paintbrush Studio Noteworthy, so all the layers are. And then I'm going to cut them into 3 of the same size strips and layer those down the page. And I do not center them, I put them more off to the left. I'm going to do the top and the bottom just so I can try to make sure that they're the same amount from the edge. And then I'm trying to get him to go eat. I was shaking the food in there a little bit. Because Patton didn't finish all of his moist food. And I have to give him moist food, and so then the other cats want it. So, and they eat hard food too. I only give them a little bit of moist food, the others, and most of it to Patton, because Patton has his own kitty Prozac, so he is on meds because he's got an attitude that. So he is not a happy kitty, so he had to be put on meds, and it's liquid, and so it can be bitter, which I did change the flavor of it this time around because he seemed to be real finicky on eating lately when I have the medicine in there. So he seems most hungry in the morning, so instead of doing it at night, I now do it in the mornings, and he eats it a little better. So I give them moist food so I can put his medicine in it. I'm not just going to stick it in his mouth. I could do it that way, but it's better to put it in the food. And then, of course, the others want it, so. And then I have that iris container that I store my stuff in, the current kits, and then that's the container I keep the current and past embellishments. I usually keep like maybe 2 kits past plus the current kit to try to use them up, and then once I'm like, okay, that's 3 months old, I put it in my other container that contains way past. I mean, see, there's Sabrina. My husband brought home a cat. Yeah, I'm like, babe, because he's like, hey, my coworker's needs a home for this kitten. Do you want her? And I'm like, no, babe. I said, we have 3 cats. I said, I don't want any more cats. I rescued Theo. Patton was given to me. Reese was homeless, so I tried to find her a home, but no takers, so she found my home, her forever home. And she's getting to be almost 20, so that was a long time ago. And I'm like, no, babe. And they kept asking me, if you had her, because he had a picture, he's like, if you got her, what would you name her? I said, I don't know, babe, because I don't want another cat. And so finally, he kept asking, so finally I'm like, you want her? Get her. I'm not going to tell you can't have her. And so he brought her home a week ago. It's like, oh my gosh. It's a good thing I'm moving. So, she's super tiny. She's about 4 weeks old and super playful. She is like Ginger reincarnated right there. And actually, her name, ironically enough, the guy we got her from named her Ginger. I tried to keep her name that, but it felt odd, and my husband didn't want the name to stay, so we contemplated names, went back and forth, and finally settled with Sabrina. It's kind of weird, I don't know, because I usually name them based on personality, kind of. But I guess Sabrina fits. It just, I don't know. So anyway, back to the layout. So cards are cut from Paintbrush Studio Noteworthy. The die cuts and the puppy stickers are all Paintbrush Studio Noteworthy. And then Grateful is American Crafts Hollow Figures, and For You is Paintbrush Studio Noteworthy. I know I did a Thankful for You, and then this one is Grateful for You. I didn't even realize that until after I already did it, but I'm like, that's alright. And then, I don't know, there's Theo again. At least he lays on the portion of the layout I'm not doing, or I'm not working on. So, here we go. Just trying to figure out how to, and this is Mateo, loving and hugging on Patton. He loves the cats, I tell you what. Every morning he gets up, he doesn't even go say anything to me, unless I'm in my scrapbook room, where the cats normally are, but first thing he does is get up and go pet and love on the cats. He's more of a cat person than a dog person. He loves Coco too, but he loves the cats more. And that completes my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.